We've got a great fight coming up between Rhiannon Dixon and Karen Burbuja Carvajal. Karen Burbuja Carvajal is 34 years old, out of Buenos Aires. Only one loss to Katie Taylor. She destroyed Gisela Raquel Ceballos, was better than Lucrecia Manzur, Edith Soledad Matisse, and she's gonna square off against Rhiannon Dixon. Rhiannon Dixon is a decision goddess. She destroyed Vicky Wilkinson with a body shot, but aside of that, Katarina Thunders, Christine Shergold, Edina Kiss, Magjuba Optil, Vaida Masiokaite, all great decision wins, and I am very confident that Rhiannon Dixon is going to grind her way to decision in this WBO World Female Lightweight fight. I think Dixon is slightly better fighter, but I wouldn't write Carvajal off, so I'm going to go with over 8.5. And about side call, I'm saying Dixon via decision. Yeah, I'm gonna say with Dixon via decision, yes.